President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
I am here because I love my country and I love the people of the Philippines.
I assure you, this will bakit sabi ko, without declaring martial law, I dismantle the oligarchy that control the economy of the Philippines. We must have a strong republic to withstand all threats and challenges. Today's reality demands, necessitates an armed forces that is strong. Ang gawin ko sa pera muna is I will build a credible armed forces that can fight at all fronts everywhere. I will leave the Philippines with a very strong military. We have to destroy, not really fight, but destroy the Communist Party of the Philippines. Hindi talaga tayo mag-iintindihan kailanman. No peace talks if you do not stop attacking government forces and even civilian leaders. What you can do, I can do better 10 times over. All communists are bad because all of you are conspiring to overthrow the government of the Republic of the Philippines. We will make a few years the golden age of infrastructure in the Philippines to enhance our mobility and connectivity and thereby spur development, growth, and equitable in the country. In other words, we're going to build and build.
I value friendship. Make no mistake about it, but it has its limits. We shall continue to reach out to all nations regardless of their prevailing political persuasion. Kaya ako, sinisikap ko ang bayan ko aangat.
Duterte sa suporta. Para sa akin,
sa amin, ng mga OFW
laking tulong ng programa
na binigay mo sa
mga Pilipino.
Wala nang panahon kaya gusto kong galing sa ilalim ng puso ko, salamat for making me president. This president, whom God has revealed to me 18 years before 2016, when he was just a mayor of Davao City, who became president, is really an appointed president of the Philippines from God. 6 years is never enough. And the Filipino people even are not ready for him to step down. Our hearts are heavy to knowing that in just a few weeks he will be stepping down as our president. But we have to move on. So masasabi ko na kanya, maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo, sapagkat Pangulong Duterte, sapagkat you gave us the template of a leadership as a chief executive that every Filipino can be proud of.
Sa puso at isipan ng bawat Juan de la Cruz, ito ang pamana ng makabuluhan at tunay na pagbabago.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Dasig! Og muayon kong dasig ang inyong itubag. Igsoon! Dasig! Igsoon! Wow, the best!
Yes! O maayong gabi pag-usap! Damsurhanin! Labaw sa tanan, kuya, ang mga taga Vigo City!
Wow! Nindot na tanaw, no? Binaube! Tanaw na tagon sa ilang respect ni. Mahal natin si! May malasakit si! Buhay ang mga! Justice for! Bring him back! Wow! The best!
Yes! Uy, malipayon ba ang tanan nga nakakaroon dire? Kuya Jens, Kuya Dens, mauni ang timailhan nga ang Digo Seniors